Welcome to the webinar session by EG14. Today's topic is Teacher Talk for Effective Classroom Transaction, Semester 3, Unit 1. The resource person for the session is Mrs. Nisha Pandau, Senior Lecturer, Diet Ernakulam. Welcome, ma'am. EG14 cordially invite everyone to this session.
Hi everyone. Today we are discussing about the topic of S3 DLED English curriculum. The teaching competency in English language is the main area of this S3 curriculum. And the main purpose or objective of this curriculum are to develop teacher competency of trainees for effective classroom transaction. The trainees are expected to communicate effectively in the classroom using the target language by creating language-rich environment. They are also expected to utilize advanced information technology and adapted strategies catering the needs of CWSN. They should develop the potentials of the techno-pedagogy in the classroom. And the work in this semester is intended to develop a set of competencies that lead the trainees to become an effective teacher in due course. The different teacher competency have to be inculcated in the teaching learning process. So the aim of this is to link whatever they have learned from S1 and S2 to the classroom process. So the internship program actually becomes a practice for them whatever they had learned. There are 4 units in this semester. First one is effective classroom transaction. Second, the assessment in language learning. Third, adaptation and inclusion. Fourth, the exploring school resources. So the children will be learning the techniques and strategies and pedagogy of classroom learning. Then they will be getting more information about the adaptation techniques. Then they will try to utilize the pedagogy and blend the pedagogy with the technology, and they will move to the assessment part, and they will learn how this assessment can be used as a learning technique. Then to the last, they will have a vision of using the school as a whole to use as a teaching learning material for language development. So the whole resources in the school will be used by the teacher training for developing language. And coming to the detail of Unit 1, the learning outcomes are apply the acquired oral competency in the classroom situation. The teacher trainees have learned a lot of competencies that can be used in the classroom, and they have developed oral skills. And now it is the time to utilize all the oral techniques they learned in the classroom situation. Next one, understand the role of paralinguistic features in teacher talk. Next one, the identify and apply the qualities of teacher talk. Today we will discuss the main points of this teacher talk. What's a teacher talk? When it is used, how it can be used by a teacher? Then what are the purpose of teacher talk? What are the features of teacher talk? and how the teacher talk can be developed by a teacher training. Then the need of error-free teacher talk, then the qualities of teacher talk also. Before coming the detailing of this teacher talk, let us ask a question to ourselves. In what ways do English teachers talk too much in the classroom? And how can they unlearn this tendency? Not only English teacher, most of the teachers are talking too much in the classroom. How we can unlearn this? So we had teachers who taught us by talking a lot and we were the listeners. Active or passive, we were the listeners. But now it is the time to unlearn what we had. All the experience have to be unlearned. So one of the tasks of our teacher educator is therefore to help new teachers unlearn what they had learned. And they should take into the mind that teacher job is not a job to talk too much. It's a job for talking less, talking optimum. Now, what is a teacher talk? Longman's dictionary says that teacher talk is that variety of language sometimes used by teachers when they are in the process of teaching. In trying to communicate with learners, teachers often simplify their speech, giving many of the characteristics of foreign talks and other simplified styles of speech addressed to language learners. So the teachers will change their style of talking, tone of talking, pace of talking, intonations of their talk for the children. The teacher talk includes all the interactions, all the questions, all the discussions, all the directions given to the children in the classroom. What is the purpose of teacher talk? The purpose of teacher talk includes so many areas. First one is generating discussion. While the teacher is conducting different strategies in the classroom, such as panel discussions, seminars, or symposium, then group discussion, the teacher can use the teacher talk effectively for tapping out their language. Second, asking questions and eliciting responses. Teacher talk is a good weapon for making the children talk effectively in the classroom. She can change the different styles of asking questions to make each and every child in the classroom to respond. Third one, reinforcing and encouraging. The teacher talk can use for making the children feel that I have a space in the class. I can also talk something. I'm not bad. I'm learning English. Then teacher talk is used for giving instructions and directions. The next one is to give feedback. And again, the teacher talk can be used for formal and informal talking in the classroom. Then what are the features of teacher talk? That is, the teacher talk, the language used by the teacher should be very simple and it should be error-free. It should be comprehensible and audible to all learners. The talk of the teacher must be intimate, then affectionate and learner-friendly. The speed of articulation is to be reduced. The features such as pronunciation, pause, pitch, intonation, stress, rhythm and everything, all these things should be maintained effectively. Then try to include the vocabulary, phrases and different usages in your talk so that the children will be familiar with that and they will try to use that. Teacher talk should not be in the form of lecture. It should be interactive. It should give children a space for talking. So these are the main points related to teacher talk, and we will come to that other points next time. Thank you very much.